Well, I'm back with another new recipe for Onam. This is pradhaman. I've taken 1 bowl of sharkara unda. That's for 1 cup full of ada. I've soaked the ada in water. See? And then we have cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of dried raisins, 2 tablespoons of, or 1 tablespoon is enough of small slice chopped coconut. You can slice it big if you want, but kids don't like to eat it when it's big. So we have cardamom to powder and dried ginger, chuku to powder. And we pour 1 cup of water into the jaggery, sharkara, to melt it and strain it so that any residues there you can take it off. Then we have to take coconut milk. The first milk, very thick milk. Then we have the second milk and the third. Okay, so if you want to add coconut milk powder, you take 1 full cup of coconut milk powder, and then you can add it in the end. So let's start making the pradhaman for Onam. And this, soak it and cook. Now it's about to boil. Once it's boiled and all the sharkara jaggery is dissolved, you're going to strain it. In the meanwhile, we're going to cook the ada. See, you get the real white ones for palada, and since it's a lockout, I didn't get the right white one. So I'm going to cook this, cook till it's really soft in water. Let it boil and cook. So in the meanwhile, we'll wait for both the jaggery to dissolve. Don't forget to keep stirring so it doesn't stick to each other. And be careful when you melt the jaggery, it may boil and come out of the pan. You have different types of jaggery with different colors. You have the real light brown, dark brown. See? So now I have the strained jaggery syrup here. Now the ada is boiling. Let it get cooked and really soft, and then you wash it in cold water after straining it. So now it's almost done. We're going to strain it. See, it's soft. See? You strain it and wash it in cold water so that this slimy rice flour thickness is gone from the ada. Now I've strained it and I'm going to put it under running water and wash it. So it doesn't stick to each other in cold water. Now it's all washed, and can you see? It's so thin. And now we're going to put it into a pan and pour the jaggery and let it boil till it thickens. So now I put into a pan, a non-stick, so that it doesn't stick. And normally it's done in urli. We'll pour into the jaggery water and let it get cooked till it thickens. Alada, you make it with real pure milk, and pradhaman is with sharkara jaggery, and the ada is even white. So let's enjoy pradhaman for Onam. In the meanwhile, we're going to fry the cashew nut, the dried grapes, and the chopped coconut in ghee. We are going to put 2 tablespoons of ghee. So So we have here ghee to let it get hot. We'll fry the coconut first till it gets golden brown. If you want, you can chop it like this big, but the kids don't like it big. So that's why I chopped it very small, tiny pieces. We'll fry till it gets golden brown. I've powdered the cardamom and the dried ginger, chukka. Here's the coconut fried. See, it's golden brown. Next, we've dropped in the cashew nut. See, now we can take it. So in the end, you pour the ghee into the pradhaman. Now, drop in the dried raisins, the dried grapes. When it blooms up, just take it off. See, it's blooming. So don't let the grapes get burnt. Be careful when you fry it. Let it get evaporated. Let the ada get cooked in the sharkara syrup. If you are using coconut milk powder, just mix it in warm water and pour it in the end. 1 cup of thick coconut milk powder. So it will be really thick. If it's real, if you take the milk from the grated coconut, you need to boil it in the first milk, second milk, and then just the first milk is the end. You use it, the real thick first milk. You just warm it and take it off. Don't let it boil. In the end, you can add 1 cup ada is enough for one small family. That is for maybe 3 of you. You can make ada by yourself instead of buying the ready-made one. In the next video, I'll show you how to make ada. It's normally made with rice flour. Let it thicken till it leaves from the sides, and then we pour the third milk, second milk, and the first milk. So now it's almost done. See, it's thickened now. We're going to pour in the third milk. Let it boil and then add the second. Now add the third coconut milk. Let it boil for 5 minutes and then we add the second. I've added the second. Now I've added the third. I just warm it and then really heat it up and then switch it off and add the fried nuts. Now I've added all the fried nuts, the coconut, and I'm going to add in the powdered cardamom and the dried ginger chukka. So happy Onam to everybody. Enjoy ada pradhaman special from Super Mom's Kitchen. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye for now from Super Mom's Kitchen.